Hi everyone, this is the slide which is meant for, and it is going to be enlighten you in the most important area in equity trading and mutual funds is clearing and settlement. Clearing and settlement, exactly, it's a post trading activity that it constitutes the core part of equity trade life cycle. This clearing and settlement mechanism is rightly uh, held by or traded by four type of people. One is the broker, another one is the investor, and next one is the clearing house, and the next one is pay in and pay out. So we will see one by one. After every security deal, once the deal is confirmed, the broker has sent a note to the investor regarding their purchase, either purchase or sale by means of contract note. Once the contract note is received by investor, he has to settle his account either by way of giving money for purchase or hand over the securities if it is sales. Once this process is over, then it will move to the clearing house. Clearing house is an entity through which a settlement of securities are taken place. Every transactions is happening in securities market. Correspondingly, it will be reported to the clearing house also. Once the clearinghouse receiving their that mail or maybe a settlement requirement, then immediately he demanded the broker or the settlement houses or what we call there the, yeah, if it is a broker or the custodians. So the broker or custodians has to receive the comments from clearinghouse. Based on their the demand made by clearinghouse, brokers and the custodian has to respond. Custodians is meant for settlement of securities, brokers which is meant for settlement of cash. So the first part is between the investor and broker. The second part is between the clearinghouse, brokers and the custodian. And third part is pay-in. What is pay-in? It is a process of uh, where brokers and the custodians bring the money or securities into the clearinghouse. Usually, this has to be done it before 10:30 a.m. of every day. The settlement mechanism is in India. It is T plus 2 days. And payout is a process where the clearing houses will settle the account with the brokers and custodians and investors, which means it is going to transfer either by means of securities or by means of the amount or cash towards the other parties. This is naturally and actually it is happening after 1:30 p.m. So due to the coronavirus and the SEBI is giving some relaxation of settlement mechanism, but right from today, that means 17/11 onwards, the older time is restored. That means if you want to buy any liquid assets, securities, it should be happening before the 12:30 p.m. If you rocket the same day in Navy, if not, you can make the order up to 1 p.m. and the settlement is can be taken by 3 p.m. So in this slide, we are understanding what is the meaning by clearing and settlement mechanism, who are the people are involving, and what is the process is going on, and what are the other things happening in the clearing settlement. So in this, we have understand four important concepts. One is contract note, and the second one is clearing house. Third one is what is mean by pay in, and fourth one is what is mean by pay out. Thank you.